So Oukitel has announced the successor of the Oukitel RT7 Titan. It is called the Oukitel RT8, and this is a 4G rugged tablet, guys. It is not like the Oukitel RT7 Titan that supports 5G connectivity. Anyway, let's explore the top features and specs of this new rugged tablet and of course its price. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig in. So this device is built really well. It is very durable, very tough. And the device comes with different accessories, including an alloy stand and a shoulder strap, which are sold separately. So if you want them, you have to buy these accessories separately. The device has an 11-inch 2K display with up to 500 nits peak brightness, and the display is protected with the Gorilla Glass 5. Having a 500 nits peak brightness means the display is not that bright, but it's quite okay because this is a tablet. Like I mentioned earlier, it has a very large 11-inch display, so I don't think having a very bright tablet is a good idea, but you definitely struggle to be able to use this tablet under direct sunlight. The device is rated IP68 and IP69K. It is also military grade standard 810H certified. I believe you guys understand what these ratings and certifications mean. So under the hood, the phone is powered by the Helio G99, paired with up to 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. The device also is equipped with a 20,000 mAh battery, which is nice. It is not as big as the battery of the Oukitel RT7 Titan, but it is still very big, and it supports 33 watts fast charging, which I believe is okay for the large 20,000 mAh battery. The phone ships with the Android 13, and in the camera department, the device features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 48MP primary sensor, a 20MP night vision camera which allows you to be able to take clearer and brighter shots in low light conditions, and a 5MP macro lens, while the front facing camera is 32MP. So other features of the phone includes NFC, OTG, GPS, and so on, guys. Currently it's being sold for about $300 on Oukitel's official website. I think you could pre-order it if you want, but I don't know, guys. But it's not really available yet. So these are the top features of the Oukitel RT8. What do you guys think about this new rugged tablet from Oukitel? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.